Hey guys, so today I will explain you why crypto and why Bitcoin is pumping. Right now, if we are looking at the Bitcoin price, we are standing at around 87.2, 87.5. Yesterday we went to 88,000 per Bitcoin, which is bullish. But first of all, here is the main news. The seller bought $580 million worth of Bitcoin at average price of 84,500 per Bitcoin. That was Saturday, Sunday, Friday. And that was specifically the days when Bitcoin was going up. So that's really bullish. Next bullish thing, what happened a few hours ago is that Crypto.com will partner with Trump Media for ETFs, which is insane. Looks like Trump administration, the Trump company, wants to actually create a business around crypto, not just push it into the USA. It looks like he will try to create his own crypto bank with the World Liberty Finance. Everything that he's doing points into that direction. Maybe he's fed up with the Federal Reserve. Who knows? But these are huge steps forward for crypto. And I am really surprised that we are not at 100,000, 110,000. But looking at the global markets, we still need a global liquidity, which is going up, which shows that we could pump in May, which is quite late, and it would be weird for crypto to pump in summer. But who knows? The next huge news is this: BlackRock expands Bitcoin ETF offering to Europe. So there will be an iShares ETP that will trade on Germany's extra exchange with ticker IBIT. Yeah, that's basically it. And it will trade in Euronext Paris and Amsterdam platform under BTCN. So bullish investors and institutions will be able to buy Bitcoin in Europe, basically legally, and basically the ETFs make everything easier for institutions to buy. So let's look out for huge pumps. I think this is huge, and it will start trading. Who knows? It doesn't say here. Let's hope for sooner the better. Next thing is that stock market pumped as well. 1.2 trillion pumped into the markets yesterday. Obviously bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. That's why we are not going down. And everyone is waiting for the April 2nd tariff plans from Trump. That may dump us a little bit, but I don't think so. I think everyone is kind of over with the tariff panics. That's why I'm not really scared of that basically date of April 2nd. The next thing is that Fidelity is buying basically Bitcoin ETF. BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. Here you can see they bought 82.9 million worth of Bitcoin March 24th, basically yesterday. So institutions are buying Bitcoin. Retail is not here yet. Euphoria is not here yet, but soon, in my opinion, it will be here. Next up is that stablecoin supply on Ethereum reached a new all-time high. And yeah, I think one day all of these stablecoins will move into a Ethereum. Of course, some of that is most likely from BlackRock and Trump and institutions, but I think at least half of this will go straight into a Ethereum. That's why I think still Ethereum will go to 10,000, 12,000 because institutions are building on Ethereum. BlackRock, Fidelity, Trump, everyone is building on Ethereum, not on Solana, not on BNB. So look out for Ethereum, really undervalued in my opinion. And the next news is that this is one of the biggest news, is that new Arizona's public investment in the cryptocurrency bill and digital asset strategic reserve fund bill have both passed in their respective committees. This means that basically separate states will be able to buy Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, and Arizona maybe the first one, which is insanely bullish because maybe Trump doesn't do it fast enough, but states will be able to buy Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Next up is meme coin SPX went up 133 in the last 2 weeks, last 10 days, which is quite insane in current markets. I personally, I don't hold this. I know that Murad, one of the biggest meme coin believers, is really bullish on this particular crypto. I don't know this meme. Maybe some of you guys know about this meme, but I'm not. But why I'm bullish on this is because you can buy it on Ethereum, you can buy it on Solana, and you can buy it on Base, paying basically little to no fees. And where you can buy it on Solana, you can trade it on Bullex. This is invite only. Invite link is in the description. But why I am using Bullex is because you can set your own fees. You can set auto buys, auto sells. You can track wallets. You can track tweets all in one platform. And yeah, this is not. This is not paid. This is free. You just need an invite. And invite link is again in the description and in the comment section. I'm using this daily to track what other people are buying, selling, tracking tweets. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts for free. You can actually follow specific accounts on X, on Twitter, but you have to pay $9 a month. But on Bullex, soon you will be able to follow, track specific accounts you want. And yeah, when you see Elon Musk posting, you understand that there are tens of meme coins created based on everything he's tweeting. Doesn't matter what. If something is memeable, there will be a meme coin made out of something Elon Musk posts or replies to. So yeah, and if you want to basically get the latest alpha, I am posting on my Patreon daily. It takes me time to post on YouTube, few hours, but on Patreon I'm posting as soon as I see it on the Telegram, on Twitter, or on the news, something that is urgent, or you have like 5 minutes to mint or buy or something like that. I can post it on Patreon immediately. That's why I charge $10 for the speed and for the alpha. After that, I'm posting everything on YouTube. There are many things that I cannot post on YouTube. I post only on Patreon. But yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press that notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.